Hello friends, welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Today actually we are going to learn a new formula in MS Excel, and that's it's not a formula, it's a function. Okay, it's known as the replace function. So the purpose of this function is to replace a string of characters inside a text. Okay, so I will show you this with a simple example. It's a simple formula. It's a simple function. Okay, so let's say for example we have a text Sunday. Okay, we need to change it into Monday. So what should we do? Like for example here in Sunday, the sun on Sunday should be changed to mon Monday. Mon. Okay, so sun should be changed to mon. So let's see how we can change it with the replace function. So the syntax, I will show you the syntax. So here we will be displaying the replaced text. Okay, so first equal sign, then the replace function, replace function, opening bracket, and select the text that you want to replace. For example, Sunday is here, the text that we want to replace. It's C4, then comma, select the starting number of the character from where you want to replace. Here I want to replace from the first character, which is S-U-N. S is the first character, so I will type first, comma, and the parameter you need to enter up to how many characters you want to change. Here I want to change sun, which will be 1 2 3. Up to the third character I want to change. So I wrote 3, then comma, then you need to enter the text that you want to replace sun with. So here I want to replace sun with mon for Monday. So I am typing it. Before that you need to type it inside inverted commas. I put an inverted comma on, close the inverted comma, function is over, then you can close the bracket and click on enter, click enter button. Yeah, simple. Sunday has been changed to Monday. Okay, so I hope you got it. So I'll show you another example. It doesn't mean that you can only change, like for example here sun was changed to mon, like 3 characters into 3 characters. It doesn't mean that it's like that. You can change how many characters you need. For example, I will replace Sunday to Thursday. Okay, let's see how we can do it. Delete it. So replace, I'm showing it once again, closing bracket, that needs to be replaced, comma, starting characters from 1, like sun s from s. So it's one is a s is the first character, so 1 2 sun, up to 3 characters, up to n you need to replace. So n is the third character. Okay, and now you need to enter the text that has to come as a replacement. So under inside inverted comma, I'm typing it HURS for Thursday. I'm closing the inverted comma bracket, closing bracket, and enter. Press the enter key. Yeah, simple. Like Sunday has been replaced with Thursday. Okay, SUN has been replaced with THURS. So it's as simple as it is. So I hope you like today's function. I hope you like today's Excel tutorial. So if you that's all from my side today. So if you like this video, please like it and share it. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel and also click on the bell icon so that you get further notifications whenever I upload new videos. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye bye.